So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, no contact love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of June 2026. Please keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. I have the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Wands. This is somebody who feels like they should keep their guards up because they are like a hurt and wounded kind of a warrior. This person is very hurt and wounded by the whole situation. That is why they feel like they should keep their guards as high as possible, keep their walls as up as possible. But at the same time, they feel like they cannot give up 100% on the situation. They're still, you can say, 10, 15%, 20% energetically connected to the situation, even if they feel like they should give up and they should not get involved too much. When it comes to the conscious level energies, we have the Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. This person is feeling like they are intuitively being guided to end the situation between you and them. They got the proper clarity. They have the 100% clarity and the truth about the situation right in front of them, that this situation is over. This is the dead end between you and this particular person. Okay. For some of you, this person is feeling like they should go towards a totally new person, new energy, and they should end this chapter between you and them completely, because there's nothing left in the situation that they can do anything about. They are somehow feeling very very defeated and betrayed, and wow, this person is feeling like they have to learn how to walk again, how to talk again, how to be happy again, because this whole situation have made them feel like they have to start learning to live again. Oh my god, this is tough. So this is somebody who is feeling very defeated. They are feeling like they have to start standing up again for themselves. They have to start living their life again, and this is tough, but they feel like they should keep moving forward and they should stick to the truth and the reality that the situation between you and them is completely over. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Six of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. You know, this person wants to stabilize their energies. Their energies are very very unstable right now. They are not able to be at peace right now with their life, so that's why they want peace, they want stability, they want to shift all of their focus on money, job, career, finances, and stability. Right now they're not able to feel the stability, the kind of stability that they want in their life. For some of you, this person might be going through some kind of financial issues also, or their job or business thing is not going well, so they want to shift all of their focus from this situation of their life to that situation where they have to focus on this thing, otherwise their life is going to be completely messed up. So on a deeper level, their intention is to focus on something meaningful, something productive, something that is close to their stability. And when it comes to this conscious level choice, there is on and off, in and out kind of energies. There is imbalanced kind of energy, lack of equal give and take of energy, and they want to keep their guards up until unless they are going to be full of self-love, self-care, and self-healing, and they are going to feel like now they can open up and now they can have that kind of energies in their life in which they are also going to give their best. Wow. So this person right now is in a transformation era of their life, and they are doing whatever it takes to get back to normal, to get back on their 2 feet and start loving their life again, start living their life again, and being happy again. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, June 2026. What action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, June 2026? Let's see. I have the Judgment, the Four of Swords, the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. Okay, this is bizarre. So there are very good chances of this person, coming forward towards you with genuine kind of expressing their thoughts, their feelings, maybe message, maybe communication, proper communication or apology. They have this strong desire and intention from inside to come forward towards you and maybe have this last communication with you so that they can be at peace and maybe you can be also at peace. But when it comes to this conscious level choice of connecting with you or talking to you, they might release it to the universe. They might take a step back and release it to the universe, release this desire, this wish of theirs to the universe, that universe make me connect with Pisces if it is possible at some point of time where both of us can talk to each other as humans, and we both of us can communicate with each other on an emotional level and understand each other's point of view and side of the story, and understand each other's story, side of the story. Yes, so they are manifesting it, they are releasing this desire of connecting or reconnecting with you to the universe, and they just want to have a last final communication with you, maybe regarding something related to commitment. Bizarre, weird, but they want to talk to you, and there are very good chances that they are going to connect with you in the future at some point of time. Right now they are not doing it. Eventually they will, but not for the reason that you want, for the reason to be at peace with you, with them, with the whole situation. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces, for this situation for this month. We have the Two of Cups and the Hierophant and the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. You guys are looking for something deep, meaningful. If you guys are already married or committed to somebody, please focus on that, because that marriage or that commitment has the potential to give you a really beautiful kind of outcome in the coming future. If things are not working out right now, or things are a little bit up and down, if you guys are going to focus and heal the situation between you and your partner, there are very good chances of this marriage or commitment getting healed. If not, if this marriage is not connected to the person that we are talking about, if this is connected to the person that we're talking about, then the guidance here says that focus on people, situations or things that makes you happy. Shift all of your focus on those people, those situations, those things that makes you feel happy from inside, that makes you feel loved from inside. Live by the rule of everything is happening for your highest good, and start connecting with your heart and soul again. Start connecting with your heart again. Start doing things that you really, really wanted to do. Start loving things that you used to do in your childhood, maybe, and start shift all of your focus on yourself. You should be the center of attention of your own world. If this is a marriage that is falling apart, if this is the person that you are married to, then shift all of your focus from this situation to something meaningful, something that is going to give you the kind of results that you're hoping to have in your life, with a lot of self-love, self-care, self-healing. And right now you should be the center of attention of your whole world. Everything else, everyone else will follow when the timing is going to be right for you. Surround yourself with good people, good vibes and good energies. And if this is a separate situation and you are married to somebody else, and or you're about to get married uh, to somebody else or committed to somebody else, shift all of your focus on that, because there are good chances of your marriage, your next connection, your next bond to be a very successful and beautiful one. If there is some kind of rough patch going on, there are very good chances of healing that patch also. Okay, take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. The messages that are not for you, leave them behind. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts. Just give me a second. Yeah, now. Let's see. So the answer to your question is yes. Wow. I think you are the first sign that got yes in after a very, very long period of time on this channel. So enjoy the yes. Okay. So that's a yes. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.